Okay, so I've been shooting with this Canon T3i now for about a year or so, and I've been going back and forth the past few weeks debating on upgrading or possibly investing in some new lenses. Well, kind of had a total change of heart and decided to upgrade to, or change to, this. It's a Sony A6000 mirrorless camera. I was attracted to it because it has the same APS-C sensor that is in the T3i, 24 megapixels, and supposedly it shoots 11 frames per second. So I figured I'd get a lot of the same features that I enjoyed with my T3i, but in a much smaller package. And based on what I've seen online, I will test this out on my own, but sounds like the image quality on this A6000 might actually be a good bit better than the T3i. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing here and see what's inside. I also got the 55 to 210 millimeter lens that Sony offers for this camera. So let's get to it. It's like a whole bunch of warranty information, some Chinese or Japanese, whichever. And lenses and accessory manual. It looks like this might be the owner's manual, a little bit smaller than the manuals that come with some other cameras. Let's open up a little further. Alright. Looks like we got our charger. A decent size strap. USB cable. That looks like our battery, and the eye cup for the camera itself. And here is the camera. Oh, it's very nice. It's very small too. I think I'm gonna enjoy that. I recently took my T3i out for a little street photography shoot, and walking through crowds and up and down city streets, it can be a little cumbersome at times. So I do think I will enjoy the smaller form factor, I guess. It does have a nice solid construction to it. And yeah, that's the A6000 with the 16 to 50 millimeter kit lens on it. Yeah, I'll probably post another video. Like I said, I'm gonna do some comparisons with the T3i, and do some comparisons of sample images between the two. Let's bring it a little closer to the camera so you can get a full look at it. And I also got the 55 to 210 millimeter lens that came with the bundle I bought, but I think you can get a package without it. This actually has a nice bit of weight to it.